Your room is where you live. So I want you to be comfortable in your place, whether it's the color or the texture or the artwork needs to speak you. What I found is a lot of people just don't realize that they don't need $1 million to have a designer. Whether your home is a 2,000 square foot home or whether it's a 5,000 square foot home, you can still have somebody come in and help you pick those colors and help you put your room together and help you put your space together. So that way, when you do have friends come over to your house and family, you can show off your home and show your personality with the home. So I was 19 years old when I first started working in a furniture store, and then I moved on later to high-end design in Seattle. Then from there, owning some of my own furniture stores, then I went into marketing for a while. And then I just really realized after 7 years of that I'm passionate about furniture. That's what I love. So I jumped right back into furniture, and I've been with Furniture Fair ever since. When you come into Furniture Fair, we have this wonderful design center where we work with a lot of different customers on their design projects. A lot of times my clients will actually set up appointments with me to see me inside the store to make sure I'm available. We can help with blueprints, or we can always come out to your home and then see what you've got going on and then come back to the showroom and work on your projects here. There's so many things that I love about this job. I'm never bored. There's always stuff going on. I get to play with the fabrics. I get to play with the paint colors. I get to play with rugs, which is my favorite accessory, by the way. My little tick list in my head is color, pattern, texture, the lighting, the visual interest, and what can I contrast? What can I make it pop? When I first walk into a room, I really want the space to kind of talk to me and tell me what it needs, what it's looking for, how do I update it. I find something that they're emotionally tied to, and that's what I base all my design on. It could be grandma's sewing machine. It could be that piece of art that you picked up on your holiday cruise that all of a sudden, gosh, I really want to show it off, but I don't know how to make it work in the room. That's what my job is. Let me do that for you. Let me bring those colors from that piece of art in the little areas around the room to all of a sudden, the art is your focal point. It reminds you of a great emotional time that you've had with your family, and that's what brings back the memories. So walking into your room needs to be your room, no one else's. It really means a lot to understand who your customer is and to work with their personality and what they're looking for. This is not my project, this is my customer's project. And my job is to help them walk through the project and have fun doing it.